Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another Funday Sunday watch face review, and this is the watch face of the day. Now we got a watch face for you, and we also got a bonus watch face to follow. We also sent out for some coupon codes. Now we haven't gotten the answer yet, but you will know if he said yes or not to the watch face that we're going to review when we announce the winner. Cool? All right, you all, let's get on with this Funday Sunday watch face review. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today I got another awesome watch face for you all to check out. This is the watch face of the day by my man Dewills. This guy just keeps getting down on these watch faces. This one is nice. Now, the name of the watch face is called DW15. In always on mode, you're going to get a slick look. I like the pattern. I like the design that's showing in the always on mode. But when the watch face is on, here's where the fun begins. You got to check it out. First of all, I'm loving that moon phase. I like the way it shows. It stands out quite a bit. And if you look around the bezel of the watch, this is what I'm talking about, creativity. I've seen it once before, but I like the seconds going around like that. Adds a little bit of character to the watch face at the same time. You get information on your calories burned. You also get information on your steps. You also get battery info as well. And I like the design layout of that too. Give you the number, and it also gives you a meter as well as an icon. And you get information on your miles walked or ran. You get information on your heart rate, goal completed. And if you look right there in the center, you can see the days of the week. It's highlighted red for what day it is. And Saturday pretty much lets you know what the weekend is, and it's blue. Now, you also get your date. You also get your digital time. And I'm telling you, this is definitely a nice look. And yes, it is interactive. So if you tap on certain parts of the watch face, it will take you deeper into information that you're seeking. Like if you wanted to, of course, set an alarm, you can set an alarm. Also, if you tap on the date, you can be able to pull up the calendar, set an event if you need to. And the unique part of this is, if I tap right here, I can change, double tap rather, I can change the color of the theme of this watch face. Just continue to tap till you get to the one you like. I thought the developer really got down. I like the creativity of this watch face. It definitely stands out. You got to hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know if you think this is a good look or not. And we do have a bonus watch face coming up for you. So don't go anywhere because it's coming right now. This is the bonus watch face, you all. This one here is just as nice. Now, the name of the watch face is called DW12. And always on mode, you're going to get a simple look, digital time, battery info to see at a glance, which is not bad. When the watch face turned on, if you look at the top, you're going to get info on your date, and you get digital time as well as your day. And if you come down, you're going to get shortcuts, and they are interactive. We all love interactiveness to a watch, right? And you also get your battery life info and digital numbers, and you also get a battery meter. If you come down, that's going to be info on your heart rate, calories burned, your steps, goal completed, also miles walked, ran, and floors climbed, which is not a bad look at all. Now, this video is not going to do it justice, but this is pretty much what it's going to look like once you get into your step activity. It's going to look great. I love this graph. This is really for the runner and you. Now, you can also customize the color. Double tap here. You get a few in all. Red, blue, black. It's not bad, right? Green. All right. Now, over here, you can do the same. Now, this is going to change the theme. Check this out, right? I'm liking this one. I really like that white better. Makes the watch face stands out a lot more. But customize it however you like. I think it's awesome. All right, you all, you know I want to hear your thoughts on these watch faces, so make sure you comment. Make sure you look out for if I'm going to have a giveaway for the watch face of the day. And if you enjoyed this video, then please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. Also, subscribe if you already have not. And whatever you do, have a great and awesome weekend. All right, you all, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Take care.